Hi, I'm Matt. I study Engineering Level 3 at East Sussex College. I came in for Taster Day and there was, all the equipment was laid out. I could have a look at everything, couldn't use it because I'm not trained, but everything was out and ready for me to have a look at. I've pretty much always been interested. It's very creative and I always knew I wanted to do something where I'd have to think about what I was doing, and definitely allows me to do that. The more effort you put in, the more you get out of it. I started with my school mindset, which was a bit, I'll slack off a bit, but the second I started putting more effort in, I realised I enjoyed it more and it just kept going and going and going. I can come in anytime I really want. I come in quite regularly to practice welding or to practice with the machinery, especially if I'm having trouble answering a question about it. It's good to get some hands-on practice with it. Anything you do practical, you have to write the theory behind it, so it's very academic alongside being very creative and hands-on. Quite frequently we'll get a job offering, or we'll get universities coming in to talk about courses. I chose East Sussex mainly because of the facilities. I always knew I wanted to have somewhere where I could actually sort of spread my wings and figure out how to use everything properly. And they've got everything I could possibly want here. The tutors are fantastic. Anytime you need anything, just go to them, they'll help you straight away. But when I complete my second year, I'm currently undecided. I'm torn between going for an apprenticeship because I want to do everything I've learned here as soon as possible, but also university because I would like to further study everything.